Alright, so when you get new parts in, it's basically going to come in with all this sort of grease, gunk, some kind of oil. It helps so as it's sitting on the shelf until it's ordered, it won't rust or anything like that. You want to make sure you get all that nice and cleaned off. That way it's nice and shiny and clean once you put it in. You don't want any kind of cross contaminations, aerate your oil, anything crazy like that. Basically as clean as possible. That way you can make sure everything goes in nice and smooth and you have no problem. So make sure you get all around the threads, make sure there's nothing down inside there, that way everything lines up. Make sure you get your splines all cleaned up, that way everything slides on nice and smooth. Make sure you want to get the shaft and everything, that's where your bearing is going to press onto, that's where everything's going to be sitting and riding on. You want to make sure it sits on there nice and firm. And then last, you want to make sure you get your gears, that's what actually is going to be riding inside the rear end. As your drive shaft turns, this will turn the rear end, which will turn your axles, which is what causes your vehicle to move. So you want to make sure this is all nice and cleaned up as well. That way when you throw it all together, checking clearances and everything, you don't have any kind of contaminants in the way, causing your measurements to be any kind of, out of order. And just at the end of the day, you want to make sure they're spending good money for these parts, so you want to make sure you take care of them, putting them together.